we've seen a big crash in the markets. The market is looking terrible. Really, really terrible, guys. Don't know how to describe it. It kind of just looks like Katie Price if she was a cryptocurrency. It just looks really, really bad. I'm the altcoin addict. Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we're going to look at XRP and just a few other things quickly. So you can see the market has tumbled down below $3 trillion. What a disaster. Not looking good. We've really gone back in time here and the market is getting close to where it was around sort of, I want to say around sort of January 2024. So it's not really good progress to see this coming down the way that it is coming down right now. We really need to hold this line and fire back up in this market, boys and girls. Otherwise, things are going to be looking pretty crap and we've all got to get back to work. And I've got to quit my job and get back to McDonald's. So don't look forward to that at all. Now, overall, the market is red. The month is absolutely terrible. The sentiment in this market is rock bottom. Not very good at all. I will say, though, regardless of that, my wonderful, wonderful group of guys here, the traders, are still making incredible wins. And you can also make these incredible wins in this market, whether it's up, down, or sideways. We've got the short positions on the futures too. You can literally join my Patreon. Only I repeat, $4 per month. That is one pack of cigarettes or a cheeseburger in the bin, and then you can get some potential great signals. So do check it out. The Patreon linked down below. Like I say, there's different tiers as well, but this will help you amplify your crypto journey and achieve time, location, and financial freedom. So please do have a little look at that, guys. I very much appreciate it. And yeah, $2.88 trillion market cap here. So I will talk about Bitcoin towards the end of this video, even though I am the altcoin addict. I think it's relevant when the market is crashing this much. Now, Ethereum takes a huge hit on the week, down from $2.61 down to actually a low of $2.06. Now, to be fair, I think Ethereum doesn't look that terrible. It did lose the support and it did come down into the support zone at $2.12. Has just entered a very, very attractive area on the RSI of 34 on the daily time frame, which, you know, doesn't get down there often, does it? The last time was the 4th of February. So you can really see how this month has been just generally terrible for the cryptocurrency markets. You know, nothing great has happened since the inauguration of Donald Trump. And if anything, it's just made things worse in this market. So it just really feels bad right now. I think for Ethereum, if we can just even hold $2, it's a good thing. And pardon me. And even if we just kind of play out this thing that I want it to, where we might retest $2.40, come back down, lose support again, hit $2, we might even bounce back up to like $2.71 or something like that. So it's not over until it's over. We've got to stay strong here. And I think, you know, just looking at the year-on-year growth here for XRP, I mean, let's be grateful still, be content. You can see November 2024, just 3 months ago, XRP was 50 cents. It's up 4x. I mean, that's incredible results for anyone that got in early. People that are annoyed and frustrated right now would be people that most likely have bought at recent times or in December or in January, and you've only really got to experience a market that moves down. So yeah, be patient and hopefully good things will come. As for Bitcoin, it is possible for Bitcoin to lose support here at 80,000, like 88K. We might even slope down to $70,000 or even $75,000 more realistically. You can see how bad this weekly candle's been, just pure red, 5% to the downside. In general, the market isn't down that much from the top. You're only looking at 16%. Typically, we can see true 30% corrections for Bitcoin, even in the bull market environment. So just remember that 30% is still normal and we can still continue after that. As you can see, I think the trajectory could hit 75K and then rebound to the upside. Of course, I don't have a crystal ball and I don't know for sure what might happen in these markets, but that would be an ideal trajectory here. Otherwise, we just, you know, shoot all the way to the stars, we moon, and then this market ends quicker. If we do just literally just shoot straight up, that would be cool. But, you know, I think it wouldn't be as healthy for these markets. So just wanted to really sort of tone in, really talk about a bit of Bitcoin, and the sentiment in the market, you know, is just absolutely dreadful. I think, yeah, it's tied heavily to the sentiment. A lot of this market, no one's buying when everyone is scared, and there's lots of fear like this. And just looking at some of the top cryptos right now, Bitcoin, 87K, Ethereum, 2.4K, XRP, $2.2, BNB, $600. Solana has taken an absolute beating, just terrible, $143 only, which is really low considering it was about $280 a couple months ago. So this market is being absolutely just wiped right now. The sentiment, the value from these coins is just coming, it's just being completely extracted and removed from the market. So it's not great to see this. It's really not great. The CMC 100 also tells you clearly that, this market is taking a beating right now. The last 30 days has just been shocking, just shocking. This what the worst month that we've seen for a long time. But yeah, subscribe to Altcoin Addict, guys. I just want to say, I can be silly on this channel, but I am also pretty realistic, and I do know my stuff here in the crypto space. I've been trading for years, and yeah, check out my Patreon down below, guys. Look, $4 per month. That's all it is. That can really transform your portfolio. Like I say, you're going to get some of these juicy signals, and we strive to help people change their lives, achieve time, location, and financial freedom, buy new cars, buy nice things, go on holidays, and treat their girlfriends and their loved ones, and even their boyfriends if they have boyfriends, which is completely fine in this day and age. So yeah, absolutely, have a look. Join Jacob's Crypto Clan anyway. 40,000 members has just been hit, and I will say that we are giving away $3,000 for sure to anyone that gets involved within this giveaway. So do have a little look at it. The only way you can get involved is by joining the Discord down below anyway. So you might as well do that if you're still watching the video this far on. Thank you so much. And let's do a little test. The test will be, if you got to the end of this video, all I want you to do is comment, "I watched until the end." Just literally comment, "I watched until the end," just so I know that you got to the end, because I personally think nobody is going to comment this. Just want to say it. And yeah, thanks so much, guys.